Oh. Wonder who that is. Oh, anyway. Hello, house building fans. Nobby 76 here. It's been a little while. As you can see from the board, it's dead, Jim. I done goofed up. I accidentally deleted my save file for my house that I'd been building. I hadn't played for a while. I just hadn't really felt inspired. So I decided to clean out some of my old save games. And I accidentally deleted the save game for my house. So I've had to start over again. And I've got all the framework done for all of the lower level. And I will get my handy dandy step ladder-ish thing and put it about there. Yeah, that'll work. So I have all my joins very, very nice and square. I'll show you them ones as well. Again, all very nice and straight, all very flush, all very square. And the same is, it goes the same for all the others as well. Okay, right, now the only joins that are out slightly are that one and that one respectively. So what I will do is I will detach. I don't think this beam is actually attached to that one up there, so if it's not, that's okay. I'll just detach it from that upright and that upright, and I don't think it's attached to that one either. So essentially I'll have that upright, that horizontal beam rather, and that vertical beam all as one big shape, and then I'll unbolt them, unnail them from the bottom and just tilt it this way. But I need to ensure that it's not going to move left or right or anything like that, so I'm also going to do that as well. So this video is going to be a little bit longer, but I'm not going to show the entire process because that'll take an hour or something. So once I've recorded it, I will edit it down so you see the little bits. So first we have a look, where's it all being held together? So that's being held onto that and we don't want it to, and that's being held onto that and we want it to. No, that's not being held on there, so that's good. So if I get my hammer, pop that one out, and then have a look. Right, that's not actually attached to this one. So what I will do is pop a nail in. Okay, and right, it's not held there, and it's not held there, so next we'll take out some of them. How many's in this one? 3. Okay, so I'll take out that one and that one, which just leaves one there, and that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'll take out that one and that one, so that's still held in place. Then we need some of these little handy bits of wood. Okay, now where's this one going? Put that there. And then put that there. So that's just going to hold that steady so that can't move that way. And we'll do the same with this one. Yeah, that's about right. Then what? Oh no! Then what we will need is a preemptive nail. Will that work? Yeah, that hasn't gone through. Because what we'll need it to do is... Oh, hang on, I just need to check. Yeah, there's a little bit of up-down room, so when this comes forwards, it doesn't hit that top edge and stop it moving forwards. But that preemptive nail is there because you can't hold it forwards, hold a nail, and hit a nail all at the same time. So pop the nail in first, then it's just a case of pulling this closer and then knocking the nail. Right, so down onto the floor, and we'll pop out that one. Please don't fall over. Please say there aren't any other nails in it either. Right, it is moving. Okay, so... And obviously once we do this, we will have to adjust the others slightly. That one will need to be brought in very slightly. And so will that one. But... there, that'll hold it. Now we can get back down to the floor. Pop a nail in there. And just for completeness, I like to put another one in there. Yeah, about there. Okay, and then that one can come back out. That one can come back out. And we can take the preemptive early nail out. And then this bit is now lined up. And I'll put the hammer away. Okay, so the next thing we've got to do is bring this beam in. And we will do this by, we will need 2 more bits of wood. I'm going to sit down for a second because it's easier to navigate when I'm sat down. I don't feel dizzy. Yes, that one will work, and that one will work. Now we want to try and stop the beam from moving in 2 directions. We want to stop it from falling down, and we want to stop it from coming too far forwards this way when we move it. So what we need to do is put little stoppers on it, kind of like what we did up here, but slightly different. So we'll get that one, and I don't like standing up for this stuff. Okay, so that one can go there. Get a nail and put that on there. And we'll do the same for that end as well. But we also want... not that. I'll keep hold of that one. Okay, and we'll put a nail on, and we'll go gentle. Now this one, take a step forwards, we want to go on the outside of here, so this beam, once it hits there, it can't go any further. And that'll do it. And we just put another one of these on the top over there, and another one of these on the same place on the other end. Right, so for this one we will put that there, and do that, and then we'll get a nail there. And that one goes there. So that's essentially going to stop this end from going downwards or this way. Now yes, it could go that way, but I'm going to be stood that side pushing, or rather maybe stood this side knocking it towards us. So now we just need to take out nails holding that. That's one. Oh, there we go, okay. And that's back in line, or should be. Oh, come on, let's use proper nails. Okay, we can take that one out as well, and for completeness we'll put a nail in there. It's a little bit close, I don't want it to burst out the top. And that's in. And so we kept this corner square while we straightened up that edge. Now I've got to do the same to that end, but it's actually a lot subtler, a lot more subtle, whatever the wording is, because it's only out by a tiny bit. So that one can go there. And nail that on there, so when that bit hits up against there, we know that this end's going to be level. No, okay, it was unnailed. Okay, so that one's there, and that one's there. Oh, we've got it backwards. There we go, wrong hands. Alright, so put a nail in there. Nail it in, strong and true. Nail that. And there we go. So that's the framework. And it's all nice and it's all correct. And it's all gap free, which is awesome. So there we go. We will save that just in case something silly happens. And there we go. So stay tuned, have fun, see you next time, bye. Is this still turned on? How do we turn it off?